today. Can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more great content? Well, I think it's great, but anyway, today I'm going to show you how to fix a door handle, a loose door handle. As you can see, this door handle moves a little bit too much, and in order to fix it, and a lot of times the case is because it is not screwed in tightly. It becomes, as you can see on the back right here, there's screws right here. Over time, it can become loose. The screw just wiggles out just a little bit, enabling it to be a little loose like that. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. I'm going to take a screwdriver, all right, and then I'm going to go to the back side of this, all right, and then I am going to actually tighten the screw like this. Only the top part was loose, but I'm going to check the bottom part as well too. Did I say as well too? That kind of sounded funny. Well, anyway, so after I've done that, I'm going to come back around front, and you can see that the door handle is now fixed, all right? Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.